Hey, it's Eli, Hey Atlas, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of Leaders of the Free World number 3, the front cover, the line art, how it came together, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun, I think. Sounds like the kind of thing that you're into. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. And make sure you support the Kickstarter. It is on right now. All right, I'll have the link and everything you need to know about that down in the description. Let's get into it. Playing the video right now. We're starting not too far into it. So we're still at the beginning. I'm starting on Surreal on the inking stage. So for this particular cover, Corey always likes to take a little bit of influence, pay a little bit of homage to certain books and certain posters and things like that that he is a fan of, and we kind of went that same route with this one. I'm not going to tell you which poster, which comic cover that this one kind of takes a few key elements from. So if you guys have any idea about that, leave that in the comments down below as well. But for this particular scene, we've got the main characters strewn about. They've been defeated in battle by a very shadowy figure, and the shadow comes very literally a little bit later into the coloring stage. So we have Moonshine, Technique, Techno, Surreal, Eco, Medic, and the skull of Dr. Seance. His body actually kind of dissolves and disintegrates, whatever you want to call it, and we just see the skull right there. And there's a bit of a magical story for that, and that will actually be explained a little bit more inside of the pages of the book as well. So if you're not supporting the campaign, I'll see you in the next video. Later.